so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. I sure do love drawing with you. It's so much fun. What? There's a giant pencil somewhere? Whoa, you're right. There is a pencil. Wow. Hey, why don't you and I draw a pencil together? Okay, first, I'm gonna take a black marker and draw a triangle. Whoa, that's the part of the pencil that you color and draw with. Ooh, and let's draw a squiggly line like that, and then two really long straight lines. And since the pencil isn't smooth, I'm gonna draw lines like that, so then it has some texture. And then let's draw some ovals like that, and then, yeah, the eraser. That's the part that you erase with. Wow, isn't that pencil really good looking? Yeah, I love drawing with you. If you like drawing with me and you want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.